Imagine this, not just exile on Earth, but an expanse through the infinite immensity of space. Welcome to Starborn Exodus, the lost tribes among the stars, a breathtaking chapter in the chronicles of galactic Bible stories. As Seraphine, the warrior space angel of light, I'm here to guide you through an ancient tale reimagined as an epic interstellar odyssey. Let's dive in. With the fall of the kingdom of Judah, the people of promise were torn from their celestial homeland of Zion 9, a shimmering world orbiting twin suns. Zion 9 was more than a home. It was a promise to their ancestors, an anchor for their identity. But now, under the iron domination of the Nebuchadnezzar collective, their brilliant city domes were fractured. Families were crammed into ominous black gargantuan ships, transported across the light streams to the hostile realm of Nebula 9. Here began the darkest days of their soul's history. In Nebula 9's shadowed labyrinths, the exiled tribes faced despair. Nebuchadnezzar's megalithic empire sought to crush their hope, to weld them into servitude. They were forced to mine Kritoil, the rare star fuel that powered the empire's relentless fleet. Days stretched into years within the metallic horror of the Nebuchadnezzar collective's crystal tombs. Yet hope was not extinguished. Among the exiles were prophets, their courage brighter than any collapsed star. One among them stood mighty, Ezekiel of the burning stone. He spoke of a vision that defied imperial doom, a vision of starlight's return. He declared ships would arise, built from scraps and determination, piloted by faith. In secret, the exiles began forming resistance pockets. They fashioned small stealth crafts, camouflaging them as obsolete cargo carriers. Some inscribed hulls with prayers, others etched prophecies into control panels. One day, Ezekiel rose before the stars and shouted, "It is time! Zion 9 yet calls for us. Our exile ends not in despair, but in defiance." And so, against the tyranny of Nebuchadnezzar's fleet, this scattered people reclaimed their name, the Starborn. Among the stars they struggled, small rebel ships dodging heavy Nebuchadnezzar cruisers like pebbles outwitting asteroids. Their bravery was not of warriors, but of those who carried torches in the abyss, lighting their path with belief. Their destination wasn't merely Zion 9, it became the hope that they are boundless beings under God's watchful starlight. Against odds and through attrition, resistance swelled. They formed an alliance with the nomadic Zeltosh tribes, an ancient alien civilization renowned as cosmic mapmakers. United, they charted hyperspace routes never dared before, threading through stardust nebulas and supernova corridors. The exile finally blossomed into an exodus. Zion 9's twin suns, unseen for decades, came into reach. With gasping breaths and teary eyes, the Starborn rediscovered their ancestral home, nestled gloriously within the sparkling reaches of the light streams. Their return was no mere landfall. It was reclamation of faith, identity, and calling. And in quiet reverence, under the twin suns' glow, they whispered, "Glory to the one who carried us home." So, dear seekers of cosmic tales, remember this. No force in the universe can extinguish the light of faith. Even in the cold expanse of exile, starlight leads the way. Until next time, this is Seraphine, lighting the cosmos with legends of faith.